Okay, so we walked up this path here. Oh look, it's snowing. And this is our backyard, front yard, whatever you want to call it. It's a beautiful day today. This is our little cottage. It's very isolated and nice and remote. I'm going to make a lot of snowmen in this little garden bit. There's our firewood stack. Don't worry, there's more around the back. I've got some Christmas lights already set up. This is our front door. There's our little fire. Apparently his name is Bob. We have to care about him a lot. How cute. They gave us a welcome sign. Super duper adorable. Got a fridge, tiny little kitchen. This is our laundry / bathroom. It is really, really cold in here. The stairs up to our room. Oh, hello Kathy. Standing in the middle of the room. You be careful. There's our bed. Got a little TV. You can see there's a little bridge to the window. And then this is our desk where we stare outside. The amazing landscape. It's just beautiful.